My favorite color is blue. Blue.
Mine?
Blue. Mine, white, blue, red.
My favorite food is pizza and pasta tsaka fries.
Sa akin po, spaghetti.
Kare-kare and Hungarian sausage.
Chicken and tokot baboy and sausage hotdog.
Ang paborito kong pagkain ay spaghetti, pizza, at syempre, fried rice.
For me, all.
All you can eat! All you can
For now, my favorite TV show is The Boys.
Sa akin, Sesame Street and SpongeBob SquarePants.
Yeah.
Sa akin, Cartoon Network.
Gandang gabi, boys!
Wow. Sa akin, 24 oras.
Wise ka!
Favorite din eh! Oras. Oras, sayo.
TV Patrol!
My favorite movie is Harry Potter.
It takes a man and a woman. Sa akin po, dalhin mo ako sa palasyo.
For me, Resident Evil.
Ako, My Cactus Heart and Iron Man.
Yeah, man!
For me, Transformers and Fast and the Furious. For me, my favorite subject is AP, Madaling Panlipunan.
For me, I think it's obvious. English.
English! Yeah!
English! Ba't ito daw ito pronounce, Ben?
Ayun, what's your favorite?
Sa akin, nalata naman eh. PE.
Sa akin,
Recess.
music.
Why? Mape yun, di ba? Hindi music.
Sa akin, PE.
Sa akin, science.
Parang malaki na kin.
Kaya pala. My favorite sport is soccer.
I love to play basketball. I love to swim.
That's his sport. To stop.
Taekwondo.
Wow.
I love to swim.
Gaya!
What is swimming?
For me, gymnastics.
Wow, bagay sa'yo, bro. Yeah!
Samantalahin na lang natin ang
Love,
pagkakataon.
for me, love is in you.
Love is in our hearts.
Love? Shikser. Love, ginawa ko yan para sa'yo. Love is what I feel for you.
Love is like a rosary, full of mystery.
Hey! Siga na siya! Sambal!
Motto ko, never give up.
Time is gold! Yung sa akin po, ang tunay na lalaki, marunong maghugas ng pinggan. Like me.
For me, real men need God.
Love all, trust few, never hurt anyone.
Para sa akin, kahit anong mangyari, masama man o mabuti, don't forget to smile.